If your municipal water system fails tomorrow, your standard countertop filter pitcher becomes a useless piece of trash in less than 30 days. Once the retail supply chain breaks, you won't be able to order replacement cartridges online. But long before commercial chemical manufacturing existed, ancient survivalists used a precise, three-layer geological arrangement to turn toxic mud into pristine, mineral-rich drinking water that literally never expires. I'm Carter, and today we are bypassing commercial filters entirely. We're building a perpetual biosand purification matrix out of literal dirt, stones, and charcoal. No fluff, no retail parts, just pure survival physics. Water companies want you to believe that true purification requires complex synthetic membranes and proprietary plastics. They charge you $20 to $50 a pop to keep you dependent on their corporate ecosystem. The reality is that true, long-term filtration is entirely mechanical and biological. By layering three basic elements found directly in nature, you create an active biolayer. This system doesn't just trap physical dirt, it utilizes activated carbon bonds to physically rip chemical toxins and heavy pollutants right out of the water on contact, neutralizing them before they ever reach your cup. Here is the exact blueprint to build this at home for $0. Step 1. Take a vertical container, cut the base off, and open a small drainage point at the bottom cap. Your baseline layer is exactly 2 inches of crushed hardwood charcoal. Pay close attention here. It must be natural lump charcoal from burnt wood. Never use commercial barbecue briquettes. Step 2. Pack a heavy 3-inch layer of fine silica sand directly over the charcoal. Do not rush this. The sand must be tightly packed so there are no visible air gaps. This fine sand layer creates a microscopic mesh that physically blocks pathogens, parasites, and tiny silt particles from passing through. Step 3. Top the sand with 2 inches of coarse river gravel or small stones. This top layer has a specific job. It diffuses the heavy force of the muddy water when you pour it in, preventing it from churning up and displacing your fine sand layer below. Now, pour your dirty water straight through the top. Here's the trick most beginners mess up. The very first time you run water through this filter, it will come out slightly gray or black from the loose charcoal dust. Do not drink this first run. Flush the system with water 3 to 4 times until the output is 100% clear.